All right, guys, welcome back to Veterans View News Network. So tonight, I just wanted to jump right into my weekly recap, all the content that I covered over the past 7 days, and let's go ahead and jump right in. After you guys smash the like button, of course. So starting out, the first one I did was about goal setting. And within the video of goal setting, talked about career goals, financial goals, family goals, mindset goals, physical goals, and also pleasure goals. So kind of a little brief overview of some of those. So career goals would be, do you want to stay in your current job the rest of your life? Are you looking at advancing or promoting? Financial goals, setting budgets, saving for something, whether it be a car, saving for a house, saving for a vacation. Family goals, preparing yourself for marriage if you're single, or if you are married, bettering that communication with your spouse. Your mindset goals. Are you an optimistic person? Do you view the glass as half full? Or are you a pessimistic person? Do you view the glass as half empty? And walking through those, is there something in your life that caused this potential mindset that you can work on? Or is this like a chemical imbalance or something where you can maybe help regulate it with medication, but you're pretty much always going to deal with it your entire life? Then we have physical goals. What type of goal would you want to set physically? Do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to try and eat healthier? Do you want to be more active? Maybe you want to join your work's softball team or some type of co-ed team. Are you trying to look good for a high school reunion? And then pleasure goals. What are some things that you enjoy doing? And what are some things you enjoy doing that maybe you have been putting off and you're not actually investing in yourself, giving yourself some downtime? So those were huge in my goal setting video, and I will link that video down below in case you guys want to check out the whole video. All right, guys, so going back into it, master your mindset. So are you an optimistic person or a pessimistic person? And with that, is it something maybe that potentially happened in your life? Did you experience some kind of trauma? Did you have something happen to you when you were a child? Is it something that maybe is coming from your spouse or a family member? And I just kind of jump into trying to hone in on what could be the cause of your mindset, whether you are a positive person or an optimistic person or a negative person or a pessimistic person. Then the next one I did was master your physical health. So this was about eating healthier, getting more exercise, less time sleeping, because that comes with depression, and then spending more time with your kids, if you have kids, or spending more time with your spouse or your friends, whatever it is that you enjoy doing. And kind of what I touched in on here is, some healthy ways, not cutting things off cold turkey, but trying to make healthier choices. Instead of drinking 2 sodas, drink 1, that kind of stuff, and trying to scale back, along with the eating healthier. But then also working out. If you're only walking a couple thousand steps a day right now, try and increase that. What can you do to increase that? Spending more time with your kids. This pandemic has been difficult in all aspects of our lives, to include our kids, whether it's because of remote learning, whether it's because they can't play sports, they can't go to school, so they're not seeing their friends. All this stuff takes a huge impact. And these are the types of times that our kids need us the most. And then also, if you're sleeping more. So if you're normally like myself, I slept 4 or 5 hours a night. If you're now sleeping 8, 9 hours a night, you wake up tired, groggy, with a headache. A lot of that can be signs of depression. So what can we do to kind of help rectify that? so that you're able to have more energy to do more things that you enjoy doing through this difficult time that we're all experiencing. Then the next one I did was joining the military in 2021, and just kind of some observations, with things that are going on. For instance, if you do your time honorably, you have the VA home loan. What does the VA home loan do? If you miss a payment, let's say you lost your job, lost every source of income, and you start missing payments, by law, they cannot foreclose on your home until 12 months after your missed payment. So you would have a solid year where you could live in your home with no fear of foreclosure or eviction or anything. That's a huge benefit for, I think they've estimated now, roughly 14 million Americans could be homeless, depending on what happens with some of these assistance programs. Your guaranteed job security. Once again, in the military, your career is pretty much in your hands. As long as you do everything you're supposed to do, you're going to keep your job. Then you get your free college. Once you serve your time, once you're done with the military, or even while you're in, you go to college, get your degree, pursue your life. And then your free training. When you join, not only are you going to get trained for your job, but you're going to get paid while you're in training. And then the last video I did was on professional development. And what are some things you can do professionally to ensure that you have the best chances to succeed moving forward? So things like embracing your network, making those positive, good connections in the workplace with not only your peers, but also your leadership team. Because moving on down the road, if you keep in contact with these people and you forge good relationships, they're going to remember that. And they're going to reach out to you and let you know about these other job opportunities. So that's huge. Also, finding a mentor. So within your workplace, within your career field, if you don't have those as an opportunity, you can look at college professors, family members, and you can pick their brain about leadership, about how you can grow, what you should do. These are all people and all tools we can use to better ourselves. And then also ask for more responsibility within the workplace. Your boss may not 100% know everything that you're contributing to the team on a daily basis. Your boss is inundated with other tasks. So you can go directly to your boss and pretty much ask them to give you an opportunity to prove yourself in something. Whether it's you want to improve something, whether it's you want to try this new technique, this new program, whatever it is, depending on your career field, pick their brain, ask those questions, and make them tell you no. Because then if they allow you this flexibility to do this, then they are going to be watching what you're doing. And if you're knocking it out of the park, you're going to streamline your promotion potential and other job opportunities. So that was pretty much it, guys. That's all the content that I covered this past week. I didn't do too much in terms of national news, only because it's a bunch of back and forth about pandemic relief. Republicans want this, Democrats don't want to budge, or it's about the impeachment of Donald Trump. Is it constitutional? Is it not? Nothing's really changed. And that's kind of why I didn't really cover any of that this past week. And I'm more just kind of focused on what we can do to better ourselves to give us the best chance to succeed moving forward and more put our career in our own hands. So with that, guys, as always, if you like this content, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of this content, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video. Also, I've scheduled my first live stream. It is February 6th, and it is going to be a personal and professional development Q&A, where you guys can pick my brain about anything personal and professional development related, and I will answer them for you to the best of my ability. If I cannot answer them, I will ensure that I get you the resources to answer your question, or I will get back to you with that answer. So with that, guys, as always, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.